Hello everyone. This video explains how to interpret error messages related to RadFrac block convergence in the Aspen Plus control panel. If you find this topic interesting, I encourage you to continue watching the video. We're all familiar with this error message. It means the RadFrac model didn't converge in 25 iterations. So what's exactly happening there? Well, RadFrac block uses iterative approach of guess and check. At each iteration, values of model variable are guessed, and model equation residuals are calculated. So, what is this model equation residuals? Model equation residuals are nothing but the difference between LHS and RHS of model equations. Once the model equation residuals are estimated, simulation error is calculated. In principle, simulation error is the norm of all model equation residuals. In short, it is a square root of sum of squares of residuals, like shown here. This error represents the model result deviation from the exact solution. Now, there is a term called tolerance. This tolerance actually dictates how much error in model result is acceptable. The default tolerance number is 0.0001. These simulation error and error tolerance are used to prepare a ratio, which is called error to tolerance ratio. This ratio is the measure of proximity to convergence. If error to tolerance ratio is above 1, means model is not converged. This indicates that some of the model equations have too much error. If error to tolerance ratio is below 1, this means error is within tolerance limits. Model is solved. General rule of thumb is like this. During iteration, if error to tolerance ratio is staying below 1,000 and has not recently risen above 100,000, then simulation is likely to get converged. Now, we have reached to the end of this video. Hope you have found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the Process Guru YouTube channel and LinkedIn group. See you next time.